Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going over one of my favorite cameras that I've ever purchased. This camera, of course, is my 360 GoPro. You probably have seen it in the thumbnail and all that. But this thing was just under 400 bucks. Definitely worth every dollar though. It's super versatile and I'm going to show you guys how to use it, how I use it, and then also what the videos can look like off of it. I'll also leave the link down in the description from where I purchased mine. So as we dig right into this thing, it comes with these two little covers on it, and then it's got this little side thing over here where you can say open it, and then the plugins in there, the battery, and then you've also got your micro SD card. I recommend 64 gigabytes or more because, you know, these files are going to be pretty large because they're 360. So the other next thing is you can do 180p videos, 60 frames per second, but that's only one direction. So you've got to click this button right here and it changes to 360, and then you get 5.6K quality with 30 FPS. You can also, just like any other GoPro, take the different pictures. You just have to just swipe to the left or right, and you get your 360 photo, which is basically just like the videos, but you can go in circles and it's just a photo. And then if you can check, the time lapse, which is just like any other GoPro, but it's in 360 and it's 10 times, and you can adjust this to different speeds here. You got this. Let me go right here, click that. 10 times, and you can go to the different, all the way up to 30 times and all the way down to 2 times. I prefer 10 to 15 times for my videos because then I can speed them up later on so they're not too fast. As for footage and video quality, I really like the coloring and everything that comes with this camera. I'm probably going to show some stock footage right now that I've taken a few days ago, especially on the time lapse. But I just absolutely love the footage quality and coloring that it already does. The GoPro, I always have loved that GoPro coloring and how the quality looks, and it's just like the regular GoPro Hero 10, 11, all those different ones, but it's just 360, so it's really high quality footage and I love it. I definitely recommend this camera for people that want to up their game in footage a little bit. So now on to the mount part. Obviously this is a GoPro, so it works with all GoPro like connectors. So obviously I have some up on my dash. I could also put it there. That one's also a GoPro thing. But this I have. I also will link this in the description. It's a SeaSucker mount, and it's really strong suction cup. So it's got this little pump. You push it on the roof. I'll show you in a second. But I put it on my roof, and then also you may have noticed this little string. I gotta get that in focus. And this goes inside my window basically, so then it doesn't, you know, fly off. So if it got loose, it could catch back on, and I could grab it in here, and I'd know where it's at. I usually tie it to my my light handle over here so it doesn't fly away. So now for the attachment. So basically what I do is I just put it on my roof right here where I want it to be, suction cup it down, and that's it. That is literally all I need to do. Shut the door, put that in there, and that's the only things you have to do to get this thing attached. There's so many ways you can edit this kind of footage like this. As you can see, very wide angle right here. You can really pull it out. So there's these different really cool things you can do, like the tiny earth is, I don't remember what it's exactly called, but you can do these really crazy point of views just from this 360. Just look at that. Like, that is insane. And then you can go all the way, you can crop it all the way down right here like this, and you can make it look really nicely reframed here. So you can see the quality is really nice on these things. And see this time lapse, this is in 15 times speed. I didn't have it as fast as I wanted, so I just sped it up later on, which is not any problem at all. So you see, you can watch right over here, and it gets a little low quality once you get too close, but obviously you've got to be careful. You got to keep it about right here is about my max when I get reframing. There's so many cool things you can do with it. You can do these little keyframe things. This is just on the GoPro app itself. So here, if you watch this, so I'm going to go from here to here. I'll watch. It does it for you. The app does that for you, so it's really handy to not have to mess with another app. And another thing you can do is you can change the aspect ratio right here, so you can make it a vertical video or whatever. And there's so many different things you can do with this app. It's very versatile, and it's really nice to play with, especially just with having this crazy camera like this. You can get so many cool angles of these things, and you won't miss a single thing using one of these on top of your roof. You'll get every single thing that happens. I think there's even a lightning bolt in this video that just happens over to the right, and you don't miss it because you got everything going. It's definitely a very important thing if you want to be up your up your storm chasing content on YouTube, because I really have enjoyed mine so far. So with all that being said, I really recommend this camera. I appreciate you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.